You guys, let's make a vlog. I am so freaking pumped right now. I was like sitting in bed. I was like, you know what? What can I do? What can I do? Because I don't work for the next 25 days because I don't have a job right now. So love that. I have a job, but it doesn't start for another 25 days. But I was like, what can I do? I was like, you know what? I haven't done in a long time. YouTube. Every time I make one of those question and answer things on my Instagram, everyone always says, make a YouTube video. And so, you know what? I woke up this morning and I just chose YouTube. But today we have some errands to run. We have to deliver a package to the UPS. I have to go to the grocery store. I have to go get a car wash. And me and my friend are going to take some pictures for our Instagram. So I figured, what better way to spend my day than with you guys. First thing I need to say is I got a new Instagram. Instagram took down my old account. Don't know why. Well, actually I do know why. It said I was impersonating someone else, even though I'm literally me. So, and just ignore these pieces. They're just a little wavy, but it's fine. Yeah, so my new Instagram is KaylynKia_. So it's literally the same, just with an underscore. So if you guys do not follow me on my new Instagram, please go follow me because I'm sad. All right, let's start this vlog. I don't really know how to transition stuff anymore, so let's go. So first and foremost, I want to show you guys my new car, but this is all you're gonna see because I'm going to make a card. Okay, so to begin every vlog, there's a cop, hold on. I have to say that no good vlog started without.
Good morning, thank you for choosing Starbucks. We're gonna get started for you.
Hi, can I go ahead and get a grande iced vanilla latte with 2 pumps of caramel? That'll be it today. Thank you. Starbucks. Guys, I actually really don't like coffee. So that's why I like get it vanilla, and that's why I get 2 pumps of caramel. But it has been my go-to, and it kind of just like is my thing that I do in the morning and get in the morning. That kind of just keeps me like sane, if that makes sense. Okay, so I just got to the post office, so I'm gonna go ahead and ship out this package. I'm basically shipping out this purse to this girl because I just didn't really have any use for it. And I just have so many bags now that I just like get a little ahead of myself that I just don't wear them all. So I'm shipping this out, and then we're gonna go get a car wash. This is always my favorite part. So my car's like not even dirty, it's just like messy, and we went to the beach a couple days ago, so my car just needs a good little wash. She's my girl. But this one's so cool because it puts all the lights on here. Oh my gosh, it's so euphoric. I love getting my car washed. This is like, yes. I'm always afraid that the dryers are going to crack my windshield, and then I'm just gonna get pummeled with glass, and yeah, that's like always my biggest fear, is that because it just, you can literally feel your car shaking from how heavy, like, or how intense the wind is. Okay, we're gonna pull in. Oh wait, am I allowed to park here? Yeah, okay. So all right, it is time to clean this bad girl out. So, but like I was saying, is my car is not dirty. Like, she's not like dirty, she's like messy. And we went to the beach like last weekend for a wedding, and so my car, and it literally torrential downpoured on us at the beach, and so we had to run to our car. Everyone was sandy, everyone was wet, so my car's just like in need of some TLC. So I just want to like vacuum her out, get rid of all the boys, like, I mean, we have Solo cups in here, like, it's just gross, and my girl does not deserve that. So we are going to clean this out. I'm not really sure how to get the best footage of me cleaning my car, because I have, you know, social anxiety, so I don't really want people to watch me. But, you know, there's like not really anyone around me, so I'm just kind of gonna do what I do. And if they have a staring problem, then they can go ahead and kiss my... Straight sweating. You can't even really tell. But your girl is hot. Like, moist, okay? Moist. but I didn't put makeup on my forehead. So, oh, I'm taking off my eyebrows. Oh, Lord. I'm being a browless bitch. Browless bitch. All right, y'all. Whew. I don't know if you guys can't even tell. I'm glistening from sweat. Trying to think, what do we have to do now? Grocery store. So today for lunch, which is perfect, it's 11:30. So now I'm going to go get stuff because I'm going to make a stir fry for lunch / dinner tonight. I've been on a cooking kick lately. This week I made chicken enchilada casserole. Yesterday I made I made a lemon garlic shrimp fettuccine alfredo dish. That was like a literal run-on sentence. But yeah, so I made that yesterday, and then today I'm gonna make a yummy vegetable and chicken stir fry. And I'm looking for the soy sauce, but I'm not exactly sure like what aisle sauces and sauces. I'm gonna guess it's over there, or we're gonna take a look. I'm not exactly sure. So this lady just came up to me and she was like, "You have really pretty legs." I was like, "Thanks." And I mean, she could have said pretty or she could have said ashy. One of the two, but now I'm self-conscious because I'm like, I don't know which one she said. But I said thank you, so hopefully she said pretty. Okay, but I am looking for, I was gonna get toilet paper, but I feel like that's weird to have like soy sauce and toilet paper, so I'm just gonna skip the toilet paper and get it another time, because I feel like that's just like a weird combination to walk around with, so I'm not gonna do that. So I just got my soy sauce. Hey guys, so I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I just know, like, I haven't even looked up a recipe or anything yet. I'm just kind of pre-cutting my vegetables, and then we are going to figure it out. Nathan, would you like to make a debut? I haven't seen you in forever. So we didn't have a peeler or anything, so I just kind of had to wing it. So my carrot's like all jacked up. Doesn't look too bad though. But so I actually learned how to dice carrots like last month. Okay, don't watch my form because this is there we go. So I learned that you have to cut it in half first, and then you put them together like this, and then you cut them, and it makes like tiny, oops, little carrots. Again, don't know what I'm doing. Don't know how to cut. Oh, okay. Don't know how to cut a green pepper, but I know probably don't eat the stem. So, and then I think you maybe do something like, oh, maybe like this. Y'all are watching Cooking with Kaylin. Okay, so I cut my life in 2 pieces. Okay, so yeah, guys, so I'm gonna start cooking this, and I will update you guys with this. I know me and my friend are going to take pictures in a little bit, so after we eat, I can go ahead and share that with you guys. That's what I got so far. Ta-da! It's kind of a mess because I don't know what I'm doing, but hopefully it tastes good. And oh, got a tag along. A castaway. All right, guys, well, I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, so I started eating, and then I realized I should probably show them what it looks like before I actually devour this. Guys, this is so good, and it literally was the easiest thing to make in the world. And yeah, honestly, so good. 10 out of 10. Nate's sitting here watching TikTok, so we were just dancing to the Castaway song on TikTok. But guys, no, yeah, seriously, so easy, and I'm actually so glad that I made this because it's delicious. Okay, so I just straightened my hair. Guys, why does this look crooked? Is that just like a part of the top, you think? I don't even know. But I just straightened my hair, so honestly, it doesn't even really look that straight, but I can never get it how my hairstylist gets it. She always gets it like so smooth, and it looks so good, and then it's like whenever I do it, it literally just looks like shit. I don't understand why, but yeah, so I straightened my hair. Hair is straight now, and yeah. guys, so we're in downtown Raleigh right now with Kayla. And run. And we're actually going to this amazing place called Tombo Ramen, and it is the best ramen bar in Raleigh. So if you guys live in the Raleigh, Charlotte area, Durham, whatever, Tombo Ramen, so good. You guys are gonna see this and be like, holy smokes. So yesterday my vlog kind of got cut off short because I actually ended up going to my friend's birthday dinner, and it just kind of got, you know, crazy from there. So I just kind of stopped the vlog instead of just being a rambler. So I decided to just continue up from today. But yeah, I'll show you what our bowl looks like in a minute.
More underneath what's visible on the top. If it's not enough, just something I'll get.
Perfect. Thank you. Guys, I am smitten. Where's yours?
Y'all enjoy.
Thank you. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this vlog today. If you guys really liked it and you guys would like some more, just go ahead and give this a thumbs up, and be sure to follow me on my new Instagram, which is @KaylinKia_, and we can go ahead and chat on there. But thanks guys, and I'll see you in my next video.